Hey guys, good morning. So what's up? Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So the topic of today's video is how does facial recognition technology work? Okay, so let's get started and press the like button. So facial recognition technology is a biometric system that identifies and verifies individuals by analyzing their facial features. It works by capturing and processing as individual facial image, comparing it to a database of nine faces and then determine wherever there is a match. Here general overview of how facial recognition technology works. Okay, the next is point number first is face detection. The process being which face detection, a camera or other image algorithms are used to location and isolate these face within the image. Okay, the next is future extraction. Once a face is detected, the technology extracts various facilities features that can be used for analysis. These features include the distance between the eyes, the shape of the nose, the position of of the mouth, and other distinctive facial landmarks. These features are converted into mathematical representation known as facial feature vectors. Okay, so the next is face encoding. The extracted facial features are then encoded into a unique template or facial signature. This encoding process involves converting the feature into a numerical format that can be easily compared and method against other facial templates. Okay, the next is database comparison. The encoded facial templates is compared to a database of known individuals templates. This database may contain image and templates of authorized users or individuals of interest, such as suspects on a watch list. Okay, the next point is matching and recognitions. The system uses various algorithms and similarity metrics to compare the extracted facial templates with the templates in the database. If a close match or a high similarity score is found, the system recognizes the individuals as a known person. Decision threshold. There are often a discussion threshold or confidence level set to determine when a match is considered valid. If the similarity score exceeds this threshold, the system confirms the match. If not, it may be considered a non-match or required future verification. Okay, the next is access authorization. Depending on the application, facial recognition technology can be used for various purposes. If can create access to a secured area, unlock a device authorization, a user for online surveillance, or even identify individuals in a crowd for security or law enforcement purpose. Okay, it's important to note that there are different approaches and algorithms used in facial recognition, and the accuracy and effectiveness of the technology can vary depending on factors like the quality of image, lighting conditions, and the complexity of the recognition task. Additionally, concerned about privacy and securing have led to ongoing discussed and database about the and ethical and legal use of facial recognition technology in various applications. So I give you more details. Just a moment, please. I think okay. Okay, currently here are some additional details and considerations about facial recognition technology. Type number 1, facial recognition. 1D facial recognition, 2D and 3D. So the first is this type of recognition analyze a single image of a face. 2D facial recognition in if use a two-dimensional image for analysis such as a photograph, and the 3D facial recognition. This technology used the path information to create a 3D model of a face which can be more accurate and robust, especially in varying lighting conditions. Okay, the next is second key components. Camera scanner. The quality of the input image greatly affects the accuracy of facial recognition. Facial features extraction. Algorithms identifying specify facial landmarks like the eyes, nose, and mouth. The next is template creation. The extracted features are transformed into a unique template or signatures. Okay, the final is database. A database stores template or image of noun individuals. Okay, the last point is matching algorithm. Various techniques such as issue-laden, distance, or deep learning are used of template comparisons. So guys, that's the today's video. Please like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon as you can see my latest videos. So guys, bye bye and love you my all tech family. Keep watching these videos and wait my next next video.